This man's just yapping over here.
I've never heard a more vocal cat.
Bro, he's so loud for no reason. Watch this 460. 460 is broke in that. Stop loss gonna be tight, like 5%. Give me that push over 20s. There we go. Yo, these contracts are so expensive that they're not moving like that.
I was gonna get confident about these 80s.
Nice. Now contracts are. What's your contracts at right now?
Fuck, 4?
5.
Yeah, mine touched like 5. There we go.
There's a little something.
A little something. That's crazy. This downside though. These contracts need to start moving a little more. There we go. I'm taking some off here. These highs of 40s. Right there. Taking some off. Moving my stop loss up to the 90s. 459 90s.
Bro, SPY is pushing.
Yeah.
He's gotta go.
Break this pre-market.
Bro, I mean, for a 57-cent move, and contracts only move like 7%.
You're right. It's way different on the way down. That's crazy. Even down, we're more expensive too.
Yeah.
Give it to us.
You would think with the switch of IV, it would like flip these shits, but I guess not.
Maybe it'll kick in after pre-market.
Yeah, it might not kick it in until like that 462. But that's why I started taking some off here, because we are like that 1 hour. We got to make sure it keeps holding.
There you go.
Nice.
Buddy.
Look.
There we go.
That's it. 13%. There we go, baby. I was like, where's this switch at? Take some off right there.
There's the switch. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Right when NVIDIA pumped too, right there, man. Great shit.
Nice.
Now NVIDIA's up to opening
spots
print.
to take some off in this area. Great spot to take some off in that area for those people that are holding for dear life. There's that 1 to 3 risk reward.
Yeah, look how reactive that
That's
is
like
right at pre-market low. Like right to it.
Yeah.
Chilled.
Stop loss break
Mostly
even. Yeah, did it get? I got right up there.
Oh,
Oh, that's a
push.
push.
I'm like 80% out right now.
Yeah,
I
I'm
want to
almost
see what
out.
we do this. We are rejecting this pre-market, but if we could break above that and hold, oh my gosh, that'd be sick.
Yeah, this thing will go.
Yeah, get this 461 that's right there. Like, NVIDIA's hanging up opening print now. Get one more little boost here.
Rejecting right at that pre-market. Dude, that's why we started taking some off.
That's why yeah, exactly, brother.
But especially pre-market right there. Let me know how we did on the day. W day. Let me get some reactions for Instagram. Spam the shit out of W's, bro. Today was great. You guys could have took that, 460 downside. I know some people caught that and everything, but let them know how we did on the day. Starting off Monday strong. I feel like every single Monday I'm taking like nice trades. We killed Q's to the upside. I missed both downside levels just because news or is extended, but we killed it right back to the upside. 460 in the chat as well. That was nice. That was a little nice move.
Yes, sir.
Let's see what happens. Q's is coming down.
Yeah, man.
I got the Q's for 60 puts ready to go.
Down to pre-market low already.
Donnie's in.
Yeah, I wanted to, but man, it just kept going.
Yeah, this thing is dying.
Better chill now, though, dude.
Yeah, bro. If they're gonna break it like this, that's crazy.
They bad or not. perfect reaction.
Yes,
Don't
so
break
nice
like that.
reaction. It's got 10 seconds. Green red would be sick. On the next candle. Bro, what?
Bro, last second.
That's so whack. Bro, I forgot that's what the market was doing last week too.
All right, I'm going to do a little self-critique here because I know that entry. I know. I most likely would have been at that pre-market low. That's what I wanted. That's why my mentor Lander Schlesinger was giving me shit about that because he probably knew I took that pre-market low break right there with that momentum. But I missed it. You saw me fumbling around with the screen, getting everything set up right, so it just went. Wasn't ready for it. Then I ended up buying the bottom of that candle. Rushed that entry for sure. But stay with me here. My mindset behind that was taking half size to get in there just in case it did keep going. I didn't want to miss the entire move. But the idea was take half size in case it does bounce 460. I can get out really quick with a very small loss on half normal size. But if it kept going down or if it came down and retested 460, I can add full size on the way down. And that's exactly what happened. Just take a look.
I slowly coming down. Bro, there he goes 459 now. It's insane. What is that? $4 move on Qs almost?
Yeah, that's
Straight.
Holy shit, dude.
Straight down. Dude.
Yeah, Tesla's coming down too. Watch that Tesla downside.
This shit is just dying, bro.
Qs is not stopping.
Greedy as hell with these runners. But I was nearly out. I just wanted 458 for my all out there. Even if it only broke by like 10 cents, 5 cents, whatever. Just when it broke, I was planning to sell. That was the idea in my head. But it was just straight greed right there. But I was nearly out. That's why I held all the way up past this 459. That's where my trail stop should have been. And then I just ended up holding it to break even. Dumb, but I was mostly out. It was just greed. That's just straight up greed right there.
I mean, how much more can we really die in Qs and SPY? Look at that daily. Coming right back up.
Dude, right after you said you got in, I was like, nah. And then they got in, then the retest. But man, should have took it from pre-market low, dude. It's crazy.